the MTX Thunder 2300. Let's go for a 1 ohm mono. Yes, please don't blow my amp. What's up guys, Big D Wiz, OldSchoolStereo.com. Today we have the MTX Thunder 2300 2-channel amplifier here on the bench. This amp is rated 150 watts per channel into 4 ohms, 300 watts per channel into 2 ohms, or 600 watts bridged into 4 ohms. Alright, let's try a certified run using one of the loads here, and we're going to do the 8 ohm. It's only going to show up in the second track. We want to do this so we can simulate the 4 ohm stereo load. So we'll just half the number that comes up, and that'll give us the correct number. So 300 would be 150 per channel. Man, that thing is crazy underrated. $543 watts and 8 ohms. It's only rated to do 300. Wow. So let's start off like we normally do, and let's run a certified mode run at 4 ohms. Start up the dyno. Let's see what we get. Again, rated at 600 watts at 12.5 volts. Yes, sir. We beat that easily. 841 watts at 13.26 volts. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, let's go dynamic. And let's go into 4 ohms. And let me make sure I've got my track set right. And let's watch her go. What can she do? Can we bust 1,000? Can we bust 1,000? Woo! Not quite, but we're almost there. 984 at 13.79 volts. All right, let's try this baby out and see what she can really do. Let's go to a dynamic power run, and let's do a 2 ohm run. This amp is not rated to handle 2 ohms mono, but normally the dynamic run will not hurt an amp because it does a quick burst. Check that out. 1,600 watts. 1,600 watts from this amp. Woo! A special thanks to the supporters of Old School Stereo using Patreon, including Jose, Todd, Steve, and all the other guys. If you'd like to find out how to support Old School Stereo, go to patreon.com/oldschoolstereo and join the club. You get special benefits. Check it out. Thanks, guys. Alright guys, since that last run at 2 ohms mono and the IHF 202 certified dynamic run was so incredible, we're going to try to push this amp a little bit more. The MTX Thunder 2300. Let's go for a 1 ohm mono. Yes, please don't blow my amp. Let's see what it can do. Come on, baby. Let's beat 1,600 watts. Jeez, us. 2,200 watts. Do you see that, my friends? Can you read those numbers? 2213 watts from a 600 watt amplifier. Absolutely insane in the membrane. Alright guys, Big D Wiz, oldschoolstereo.com. I tell you what, I've been shocked, amazed, and blown away before, but this MTX 2300 Thunder 2300 amp is just, I don't even know how to describe it. I mean, you guys just saw that run. 2213 watts. This amp is rated as a stereo amplifier, 150 watts per channel, and bridge 600 watts. I mean, even the IHF 202 certification in the book says 750 watts at 4 ohms. And obviously we're pushing it, you know, below that rating, but geez, I mean, 2200 watts from this amp? This amp back in the day was like, I don't know, 500 bucks, 600 bucks. And that's when, you know, the Punch 150s were the same price. I mean, just incredible. I can't believe it, but there you have it. Another instance of being blown away here in the Old School Stereo Labs. This is Big D Wiz. Kudos to MTX for this amp. You guys did this one right. Until next time, more amp tests, more shocking results. Some may not be high, some may be low. Stay tuned to see what I'm talking about. Until next time, I'm out here.